I'm Richard Tuley. I'm the lead research scientist at European Thermodynamics Limited. European Thermodynamics Limited aims to lead in thermoelectric technology by producing high-performance, high-reliability thermoelectric devices manufactured here in the UK, collaborating with the expertise of Enigmatic materials through their novel net-shape processing route, and the University of Birmingham with their expertise in material characterisation and modelling. European Thermodynamics Limited is continuing to innovate at the material, joint and device level to realise high performance and high reliability. Alongside this, scaling up this activity to reproduce these modules at higher scale. Longer term, our research and development is focused on pushing temperatures to even higher temperatures, for example, moving beyond bismuth telluride materials, and to examine flexible modules. So Enigmatic strengthens the UK supply chain resilience through enabling further investment in automation and inspection, enabling full module production here in the UK at ETL's facilities. It also strengthens the test potential here in the UK and also some of the material production through one of our partners, Enigmatic Materials. Enigmatic creates opportunity for UK businesses to access the predicted $870 million per year thermoelectric market by 2026, and as we scale up we aim to take a part of that with the aim to create 55 jobs by 2030 across the consortium.
Automation of the manufacturing process enables production of high-end devices with good consistency, even in demanding applications that require small pellets and tight spacing. By replacing manual steps with precise automated system, we can provide higher volumes of thermoelectric devices with good quality and reliability.